Microsoft's Xbox full-screen experience, once exclusive to the ROG Xbox Ally, is now rolling out to other Windows handhelds months, even years ahead of schedule. And the biggest surprise? The Lenovo Legion Go 2 is on the list. During its latest Xbox partner preview, Microsoft announced that the Xbox full-screen experience, known as the FSE, will hit all supported handheld gaming PCs starting November 21st. Earlier expectations pointed to spring 2026 for the Legion Go 2. But Microsoft didn't just move the timeline, it demolished it. MSI's Claw devices were the first outside the Ally to test the feature through the Windows Insider program. But now, the gates are open for everyone. Think of it as a gaming-first Windows layer, a full-screen dashboard designed to make handheld navigation effortless. No clutter, no desktop maze, just games, storefronts, and controller-friendly menus. When enabled through Windows settings, the device boots directly into the Xbox app. Players can browse Game Pass, jump into titles from third-party stores, and scroll through menus using only sticks and buttons. The FSE also trims some Windows background processes, freeing memory in hopes of boosting frame rates. That's the promise, but the reality is still complicated. On the ROG Xbox Ally, the system built to debut this feature, gamers have reported hiccups, controller input bugs, UI freezes, and those ever-persistent Windows pop-ups that break immersion. This accelerated rollout tells us one thing: Microsoft is preparing for something bigger. Whether it's a dedicated Xbox handheld or a unified ecosystem that treats PCs, consoles, and portables the same, FSE is the first building block. And that's why early access matters. The more devices it hits, the more data Microsoft gathers, and the closer we get to a truly seamless portable Xbox experience. And here's a twist. This isn't just for handhelds. Microsoft confirmed that Windows 11 PCs, desktops, and laptops will soon be able to test the full-screen experience through the Insider program. A unified interface across all platforms could redefine how PC gamers launch and manage their libraries. The Xbox full-screen experience wasn't supposed to be here yet, but now that it is, handheld gaming is about to evolve faster than anyone expected. Whether you're on a Legion Go 2, an MSI Claw, an ROG Ally, or even a desktop, Microsoft just pressed fast forward on the future of portable Windows gaming.